Today about a situation involving an ER. Let's talk to attorneys Eric Wassel and Ed Saramboli. Once again, gentlemen, thanks for being here.
You excited for Greg to come back on Monday?
I cannot wait to see Greg and hear about this worldwide trip.
Oh man, he swam the Atlantic Channel.
It's amazing. We've had great replacements here for Greg, but we can't wait to see him back. We have Eric with us today, and we're going to get some great advice from both Eric and Ed in just a moment. I went to the ER recently for a fall. They told me that the x-ray showed I had just a sprained wrist. As it turns out, I have a fractured wrist and now have to have a plate and screws put in. I am very upset. Can I sue the hospital? Does Dale have any recourse here against the hospital?
Well, Dale, the answer is, can you sue the hospital? Yes. The problem that you're going to have is, should you sue the hospital? That I don't know. At the end of the day, you may have still had the same surgery, the plates and screws put in, even if they would have diagnosed that fracture immediately. So you're going to need to get to an attorney, and you're going to need to figure out whether that delay in the diagnosis made a difference. I'll let Eric talk a little bit more about kind of the nuts and bolts of it, what type of expert you're going to need to have look at this. But at the end of the day, that's really going to be the question. Did the delay make a difference?
Well, of course, you're going to want to call us, and once we take the information, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take your information and we're going to send it out to an expert. And that expert is going to tell us, is there a delay? Does that delay in diagnosis necessitate an action being brought? At that point, if there is, then we file the action and the case goes into court.
All right, some good advice. So our viewers who are in a situation and want to know if they have a legal case against the hospital, how can they reach you guys?
Well, they can reach us on our website at www.714hurt.com, or at the office. The phone number is 570-714-HURT.
Or go to our, that was good.
You like that emphasis?
Yes, emphasis. Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have a question, and as we always say in the malpractice questions, they're all confidential. Put it on there. We'll do our best to answer it either on an upcoming segment, or we could have you into the office.
All right, results matter with attorneys Eric Wassel and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right, PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best places to submit a question to the law and you.